Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is Ruth. In this video I'm going to show you how I make stir fry, chicken vegetable stir fry, exactly what you see on the screen. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Thanks all my genuine subscribers for all your wonderful support always. I really appreciate your support always. Let's dive into it, everyone. So on the tray I have green onions chopped, carrots, green pepper, green beans, purple onions on the tray. Next I have my soy sauce. I'm using the light 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. You could use a thick one if you want your sauce to be very thick. Next I have half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped garlic. You could use the powdered one, 1 tablespoon of seasoning to taste, half teaspoon of thyme. Then I'm using what we call in Nigeria quinine oil, naturally made groundnut oil. Then I have my chicken, 1 kilo chicken. It's already cooked, grilled. I grilled it to give it this golden brown. If you don't like it, you could just stir fry. Then I have my green peas. It is soaked in a warm water to loosen that hardness. Then I have my scotch bonnet pepper and red bell pepper. Next, when I place my pot on fire, if it gets hot, when it gets hot, I add my oil. Next I will add my already chopped onions, then followed by the freshly chopped garlic. I add this now to loosen that sharp taste, that strong flavor of garlic. Then I also add my scotch bonnet pepper to loosen that spicy taste so that you will enjoy your stir fry, your vegetable stir fry when eating it, so you won't feel hot, it won't be too spicy. So I will stir fry this for a minute to loosen that strong or that spicy taste of scotch bonnet pepper. The same thing I do with my curry powder. I add it and stir fry it to loosen that strong flavor, so it won't take all over my stir fry if you add it almost at the end. So I also add my ginger powder and seasoning, everything, and stir them together to loosen all that strong flavor or spicy taste, everyone. So after a minute, the next thing I add is my chopped carrot. Carrot is crunchy, so if you want it to be a bit soft because of the children, so I have to add it first, and also add my green beans too and stir fry it for a minute to loosen that strongness so that it will be soft enough for everyone to eat. Then next I will add my green onions or spring onions, green pepper, and at this point I will also add my green peas because I soaked it in a warm water to make it soften. So at this point I will add it and then continues to stir for 2 minutes, everyone. Do the same thing. All right, thanks all my genuine subscribers. Once again, this channel just got 1,000 subscribers and it's all your support. And if you've watched this video to this point, please do hit the subscription button for me. And if you want to see how I season chicken before cooking it, the first link down below explains that, because in this video I didn't show how I prepare my chicken. I've already prepared it behind the camera. So at this point I'm adding my chicken. I grilled it small because I want my stir fry to have that golden brown look, and you can see what it is looking like. And if you don't like it this way, you can just do it the other way around, like fry it. So at this point I just added my soy sauce. If you want more soy sauce, you can do that, but me, I just love how juicy it is looking, everyone. You can see that it is looking very juicy at this point. And if I want it to become more juicy, the next thing I do right now is I'm going to add the chicken stock, the water I got from the chicken after I steamed it after I allowed it to simmer. So I will add little of that soon, then continue to stir fry. So it's the chicken stock. I just added a bit to make it very juicy. So everyone, you can see how juicy this stir fry is. It's very yummy. Try it and give me your comments at the comment section down below. So this sauce is ready. Can be eaten with white rice, can be eaten with spaghetti. Hey, the choice is yours, everyone. Well, thanks all my genuine subscribers. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, and bye for now.